Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera kit, and let me tell you, it's quite the package. The bundle includes the Canon EOS Rebel T7 body, the versatile EFS 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS2 lens, and the EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.63 lens, covering a wide range of shooting scenarios. One standout feature is the inclusion of the telephoto 500mm f8.0 T-mount lens, providing a long reach for those distant shots. This addition expands the creative possibilities for both photography and videography. Speaking of video, the EOS Rebel T7 captures stunning footage in 1080p resolution, ensuring your videos are crisp and detailed. The optical viewfinder enhances the shooting experience for professionals, offering a traditional and reliable way to compose your shots. The 3.0-inch display allows for live view, adding convenience to your shooting experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, the T7 accommodates a range of skill levels with its user-friendly features. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi, USB, and NFC options, enabling quick and easy file transfers. The 2x64GB memory cards included in the package ensure you have ample space to store your high-quality images and videos. The optical image stabilization is a game-changer, ensuring your shots are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. The form factor is classic DSLR, providing a comfortable grip and a familiar feel for those transitioning from entry-level cameras. To sum it up, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 kit offers an impressive array of features for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing landscapes with the 18-55mm lens, reaching far with the 500mm lens, or shooting professional-grade videos, this kit has you covered. It's a well-rounded package that's worth considering for anyone looking to up their photography game. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.